Hey, this is Ronald Carroll from Mad Skills University. Today I want to show you how I created a travel commercial for a vlog, and it was really a trailer as well. And today I'm going to show you how I did that in Davinci Resolve 18. There are three things we have to do here. Number one, we're using no transitions, we're using no effects. And this is really easy to do. So here it is in Davinci Resolve 18, and this is what you saw. Basically, on this flag, and the flag on the house, I wanted to zoom into that flag. So that's what I did here. Just went down here and clicked on this and go down to a basic dynamic zoom there and just zoom it right in there. Remember, it starts on the green and ends on the red, right? And then the flag was going right to left, so I wanted that to go left to right. So I came up here and I flipped them. So I flipped both of these. Another thing you want to consider doing is, if your videos are going left to right, have them all go left to right, but you can change it, but normally it's going to be a reason. So if I have people going left to right for some reason, then a car comes in, I'm going to let you know a car is coming in. So I'm going to change it and go right to left. But basically, you're just going to take these out. I'm going to hit Alt and scroll up. And the key thing here is to make sure, like, this isn't right on the sound, what I call the sound peak here. But your cuts are going to be on the sound peak, and so this should be, with this I skipped, but this is where the peak is. Skip that, there's a peak. So make sure you just cut and bring the videos in with the beat of the music too. But you're going to see this is going to change every couple of seconds. So if I want to change this one, I just grab it here, and now I can go left. See how it's going left, pull that back just a little bit. About right there. I'm going to grab it and move it over and then drag this one back. What I like about Davinci Resolve 2 is, see, now I have it going left and right. So I can move these together to line them up better. So that's better. I just zoomed off of that flag. Let's go back and get full. So basically we're looking at just 1, 2, 1, 2. But in here, I'm just looking at the beats. Right? So I'm just changing the picture on that. And that's all we're doing here. And then this is my hero, of course. And this is my hero right here, where I go into this. Right? But right here, I go into a 1, 2, 3. So it's going to be 1, 1, 1. So basically, when I want to flip it, for those of you who are beginners in Davinci Resolve 18, just click on the picture. Go up here to Inspector, Video, and come down here and flip it. And that's what I did. I wanted most of these videos to go left to right, so I flipped them that way. And there's a few that I wanted to come back the other way, and I did that. And just play around with this and have fun with it. The key thing is, if you just get the right music, and that's important too, make sure you have the right music. Also make sure you lock your music track once you start bringing in videos. But if I want to change something out, I'll just click on the picture, hold Alt, scroll up, and let's hold Control and scroll back down our timeline. Then I would just bring it in on top and then just grab it. And I know it's going to be on that beat, so then I'll just take this one, drag it out, backspace, and bring the other one down. And that's how you bring the videos in. Line up all your videos, but the important thing is to make sure you bring in the pictures on the beat. So I would do 2 or 3 at a time. The exact same thing. So there it is in Davinci Resolve 18. Please check out my other videos. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a great and creative day.